This video is sponsored by Caravan magazine. Enjoy the timeless appeal of Caravan and get the latest reviews, travel guides and inspiring stories from across the caravanning world.
Imagine the most rugged off-road beast of a vehicle, built for extreme terrain, uneven roads, mountain passes, ice, snow, traction in action on rough, tough, off-the-beaten-track trails. Now, translate that image to a caravan. Caravans come in all shapes and sizes, of course, but there's nothing anywhere quite like this. If you thought off-gridding spelt freedom and adventure, think again, for this is an off-road caravan. I'm Val Chapman, and I'm excited to introduce you to this extraordinary caravan. We're at the Clitheroe Camping and Caravanning Club site, and your introduction to extreme caravanning, go anywhere caravanning, starts here. This is a Hunter Nature caravan, manufactured in Turkey, and it's one of a range of 4 imported into Britain by Pilgrim Caravans Outdoors. The body is aluminium, the chassis is steel, the insulation is designed to withstand extremes of temperature, both hot and cold. Its chunky tyres, its utilitarian shape straight away convey rugged off-road capability. There's a clear industrial style theme here, nothing refined, everything functional and tiny. The body is less than 4 metres long, yet there's a double bed, converted from the dining area, and 2 bunk beds. A fridge, a simple means of cooking and washing up. And there you have it, all you need for basic caravanning. Well, almost. A cassette toilet is an option, and so is a heating system. Also on the options list is an exterior cooker and an external shower, and a Truma motor mover, which you'll need, given that the maximum weight capability of this mightily constructed yet extremely compact caravan is a whacking 2,500 kilos. We hope you've enjoyed this video and perhaps been inspired to consider a caravan that enables you to go further and explore more. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.